Check it out, guys. So my post mount came in.
Sure you ordered it? And then you just call them and ask them about it?
Gonna be beastie. So it's 3-bolt. I believe there's a PLM billet post mount. It's pretty solid. It looks pretty nice. Machine work turned out pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and install that guy. Came with 3 bolts, and then I believe these one we are gonna use the original studs for it. But yep, go ahead and install that one. I'm also gonna be installing the 1320 timing belt tensioner because I do not want any slack on my belt because I'm gonna be running boosts on it, so don't want my belt to be flying everywhere. Also came with 2 bolts. I believe they're grade 8s, but I gotta double check it, make sure that it's good. But I'm gonna Loctite those guys in. Make sure you Loctite your post mount in. I'm gonna be running solid motor mount, so it's gonna be vibrating a lot. So I don't want the bolts to come off. That's a purdy now. All my breather hose came in.
This is called lazy man build. Let's put the one back with the overspray on it still and not paint it.
I was like, huh? It's like champagne. I was like, fuck that. Who needs you? Alright, guys. I'm gonna Loctite my bolts down. Definitely don't want my mount to come off on me. Get this guy started. Alright guys, I'm gonna torque these guys to 38 foot-pound, lock it up. Alright guys, 1320 timing belt tensioner. Check it out, guys. It's turning out pretty clean so far. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my NA adapters on to my breathers. I already deleted the upper breather already. So what I did was I cut off the tip right here and then weld it and then grind it down and then paint it. So everything's turning out pretty good so far. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna reuse my studs up here. I believe they're the same size and it does start. So what I'm gonna do is slap some red Loctite on this bad boy, make sure it's locked in there. I'll go ahead, heat up the Loctite. Yep, just like that. Post mount is mounted. Timing belt is mounted. So then once I get my belt on here, I'll start adjusting it, see which one, which position is better for it. But then since I don't have the head, I can't really do anything with the timing belt right now.